Hello everyone, in this video we are going to make a search box in which you can search for searching on any order type can give you the result, where this data is coming from another spreadsheet named order here. So if you see that we have data here, and you can have a search box and another sheet, and let's say if I found 36 and it gives you that input. So let's see how to make this. And for this, we are going to use XLOOKUP function. And in the first input, we need to define the value that it will check. And the second input that we need to define the range in which it should check that value. And the third, what range we need as a result. And lastly, we will define what to show if the ID don't match. Now let's see in this data, from this data itself, how to search and show the result here. As I said that we are going to use XLOOKUP, and in the first input we need is the value, and the value, whatever value we want, whatever value we need, check in the range from A2 to A14, and then give back the range from this, and in case the ID is not found, ID not found. There you are, and you can go. So let us see, ID 103 is not here, but as soon as I check for 4, it gave me the results for entirely. You can also decide the range. If you want still just the H, you can just select the H and it will just give you till here. Now let us see if you need to do it for another spreadsheet. How would you do it? I will remove this. We're gonna use XLOOKUP, and the first in the bracket, and now let us start to put the value that it needs to check P2, whatever there is in the P2 in the range, and for the first range which is in here from A2 order spreadsheet orders new from A2 to A44. So we are going to do the same. We're going to use import range. Here we are going to add 2 inverted commas. The first one is the URL, and then here we are going to define orders new, and A2 to A44. Now once that's done, let's go back here, and after the range we are going to now define the give back result range after the comma. Everything is same, but till here we want till H44. So we are going to give this, and in case the ID don't match, ID not found, and that's it. So okay, so there are 2, and see, so now this searching for any data, and if I'm working for some other data, it will give me that value. If I found something gibberish, it says ID not found. And one last thing, what if you want a particular columns and not all of those? For that you can use, let me first write a valid ID, and for that we can use for that we can use choose calls, and in the choose calls The input that we need to reach is the range, comma, the column number 1, 2, 3, and 4. So here we have the range, but here we can use choose false. See, we want in the give back results range, we want a particular range from this spreadsheet. So here we have defined it. Now after defining the range, which is from the import range, now I can just define. So here I've defined 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and it gives us still h. Now let's say if we don't want all of those, we can remove 4 and 3, and I just want 1, 5, 6, and 7, and it gives me the value of the first column, the fifth column, the sixth, and seventh. There you are. Thank you, everyone. See you next time.
Thank you.